What's good, y'all? We got a package. Package is from Craft Studio, and then they're like custom Pokemon keycaps. I'm nervous. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 keycaps. Oh my god. Look at the detail. This one's the Mega Gengar. This one's gonna be my all-time favorite. Next up, we have the Mew. Got the Master Ball. Last one. Let me put these on, show you guys the final on my keyboard, everything. Look how dope. Thank you so much, Craft Studios. I really appreciate the keycaps. Make sure you guys go check them out if you are interested. I'll have everything linked down below. Peace.